Hi guys, this is Shahnawaz Karim and today I'm at the BMW Motorrad Delhi dealership, which is Lutyens Motorrad, and today I have to show you this R18. So if you are an American motorcycle lover and you like to ride straight on the highways, this is one motorcycle which you can never miss. The R18 or the 1800cc engine, BMW Boxer engine, displays that same affection, that same philosophy of riding for freedom. That's what it is. If you look at the motorcycle, it just exudes class. When you sit on the motorcycle, it's down low, gives you full confidence on the ride. And the motorcycle comes with a wide handlebar over there, which I'm assuming is an accessory handlebar. I will get back to you if it is correct or not. But the motorcycle has lots and lots of chrome. If you look at the bar ends, the front indicators, the whole front compartment, the Boxer engine, the engine cover, the intake cover, as well as the chrome fitted exhaust. This is that model which comes with a round tail lamp. So this comes with a 90 mm of suspension travel. Although it's a keyless motorcycle, still you have 1-point key intersection over here. This particular motorcycle has been installed with these auxiliary lights and this windshield. Let me show you the other model, which is the bare bones, the first edition. So here is the first edition. This is without any add-ons or accessories. Look at how cool the motorcycle looks. See how minimalist this exhaust is. The way it has been shaped, the way it has been put together over here. Just look at how easy going it is. The Boxer engine. So if you are a cruiser fan, this motorcycle, which is the R18, is one of those motorcycles which you would love to ride. So I would recommend you to go to your nearest dealership and take a test ride, or ask them to book a test ride if you want to buy a cruiser, a cruising legend. So please stay tuned and subscribe to our post.